Recently, we just had a problem with noise in our condo, whereas the washer and dryer is up against the wall of our living room. The problem occurs when the washer and dryer are on and the vibration of the washer and dryer is transmitted through the feet to the floor, up the wall, and then the wall acts like a sounding board, which is the other side of our living room, and amplifies every cycle of the washer and dryer. So the way we got around that is we installed these silent feet, and they go under the washer and dryer, and they prevent the vibration from being transmitted through the floor, up the wall, and into our living room. Okay, here's what they are. They're just like rubber plastic feet made out of some special NASA development for vibration reduction. And you can get these online. And according to the packaging on the back here, it says that silent feet are the most advanced and effective appliance anti-vibration pads available. Using cutting-edge technology, they absorb vibrations caused by appliance and limit vibration transmission to the structures of your home. This reduces noise and structural damage caused by these vibrations. Well, I can tell you that they really do work. And they go underneath the feet of each one of the washer and dryer. And let me show you how that's done. Okay, first of all, you're going to need one of these. And what this is it's an easy moves device that's used for putting pads under furniture so you can slide them across your carpet. I got this at Linens and Things. The whole thing with the pads is $20. This makes the job simple. All you do, put this underneath the washer or dryer, set the tool, and lift it up just like that, and put the cup underneath. And with this tool, it makes the job real easy. Okay, here's the chart of a real-time analyzer measuring the noise of the washer and dryer before the ISO feet were installed. Now you'll notice that 125 hertz is just above 60 dB of sound pressure level, and so this is what the curve looks like with the noise that's coming into the living room before the feet were installed. Now here's the chart after the ISO feet were installed, and there's quite a difference. If you were to subtract this one from this one, you would come up with this one. So this is the actual noise reduction that took place by installing those ISO feet. And it's like 13 dB down at 80 hertz, 83 hertz, and it's also 11 dB down at 250 hertz. So we got 20 to 20 hertz along the top, and then 11 dB, 0 dB, and a minus 11 dB for the scale. And so there are some that go above 0, 0 being the point of no change. And it seems that at 1.3 kilohertz, there's a 5 decibel increase, and I think it's primarily due to possibly the resonant frequency of the feet that are being used. So what I can tell you is that looking at these charts makes technical difference, but the actual difference is in the hearing, and I can tell you there's a significant reduction in noise and vibration after the feet were installed. Most of the noise was coming from 80 hertz to, let's say, 800 hertz, a little less than 1,000. So there's quite a dip in this area, and that's where the noise was coming from. Okay, that's all about the ISO feet. Thanks for watching.